How to fix Instagram feedback required problem easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix feedback required problem easily and fast. So all what you wanna do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager right here. Open the apps again. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is just wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Instagram. When you find it, now you have to click here on this option for stop. Go down to the power usage details and click again on this for stop. Go to the app launch option. Now here in the manage automatically, all what we have to do here is just disable the manage automatically and enable it again. Click OK and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video.